Well, the 220 has got some company tonight. Found me a bird in the car park when it was really, really windy earlier. It's obviously just like been scat against something. Then was sitting on the floor and its kind of head was spinning. Poor thing. So it's got a bit of bread now. Got some water, cover it up, and see what's wrong with it in the morning. Like you see that? I was doing with his head now. He's doing that like really badly. Dear old thing. If you know what bird it is, comment. Let it chill. Good night. Obviously, whilst I'm here, that's where I found the bird, and it's the Polo when I was going out driving. Anyway, whilst I'm here, you're about to see it anyway, but this is the 94 Rover 220 Turbo Coupe. It's now the Turbo because it was engine swapped about 10 years ago with the 418 for 10. Dirty. Yeah, man. First car I've ever owned has got a boost gauge. First car I've ever owned is actually a turbo. Obviously it's not spooling at that 2k. That's just vacuum. But it's still cool though, isn't it? It's even got some fuel in it. And leather interior, and it's a 4-door, so it's 3-door, so it's instantly cool. And the 220s have glass roofs. And it does still move.